What's up, guys?
It's Counter Steer Garage.
They're doing NASCAR shit again.
Well, kind of.
Kind of, because our driver got sick. So we're
spectating today.
We're fans today. We were already here, so we thought, let's, I guess we'll stay. So what are we doing now? We're qualifying?
We're qualifying.
Qualifying.
Single car, 2 laps each. Fastest of your 2 laps gets you your spot in line.
Just like last time.
This race is different. It's 256 laps. Normally it's only 200, and we had 6 laps for Eddie Partridge, the owner of the racetrack.
Oh yeah.
He is number 6, so we had 6 laps for him. He passed away a few years back from a heart attack, I believe. So it's a remembrance race for him. So this is special because normally at a 200 lap race, there is no tire changes. So you can go out with your qualifying tires and you finish the race on those same set of tires. Since this one is an extra distance, we are going to be doing tire changes. I was supposed to be doing tire changes for Dave, but I am filling in for one of the crew members on the 82 and Watts Racing, the 82.
So we're going to see Kyle do some tire changes.
Yes, we are.
Oh,
we're qualifying.
We're qualifying. We are green. What to talk about, because like we're not really doing anything.
Yeah, this is boring. This is not a normal day at the racetrack for me.
Or me.
Yeah, well,
I don't really do this.
I feel like you're out of your element no matter what here.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm really fucked up right now, and even more so because I don't have a tool in my hands.
I literally have nothing to do until 8 o'clock, so I'm like, what do I do? We've been here since what, 1 o'clock?
Probably before that.
12:45?
Yeah, ish.
Well, you were late, so. You're fired.
I was hungry. We're all queued up, getting ready for our race to go live. I guess I'm participating now. We're going into pit lane, which is in the infield here, so I'm gonna get an inside view. But I'm still not working on anything.
They send us up the heaviest hill out of all of them. Bobby, you got the brakes on?
Yeah, ask where Danny's at. Is he gonna be in here?
Okay, I'll call him.
We're here.
Hi, Brian.
Kyle has earplugs in. He's got no volume control.
What?
Yeah, that. I should put mine in probably now. Yeah.
It's gonna get a little loud.
Safety third.
I think I need new gloves.
Yeah, I think you do. Yeah.
I think I need new gloves.
So our 36 car is not running, but the 82 is. So that's us.
Thanks.
She got rockets. Jeez. Yow! That was pretty crazy.
Yeah, Riverhead gets a little nutty.
Ooh, Busa. I don't know. Who gives a shit? It doesn't turn.
Lots of wrecks.
Yeah, lots of wrecks. I didn't catch a single wreck on film, but that's okay. I did catch some glowing brake rotors though.
Oh yeah.
That was fairly spectacular.
That was an interesting last few laps.
Yeah. That was Kyle's buddy who was cooking his brakes.
It wasn't my buddy. I was rooting for him. But...
It was Kyle's buddy. So, oh God, we're gonna die. Oh God, we're still gonna die.
This guy.
What is this guy doing?
I have no fucking clue. I'm about to get hit by a fucking truck.
Anyways, we had a new NASCAR experience today.
Watching the race from the infield.
Watching the race from the infield. I'm still a little dizzy.
This is the second time I've ever been in the infield of Riverhead during a race. Normally we're set up outside the track, so this is a little new for me. Last year was pretty intense. Anyway.
Yeah. This is the first time I've been in the infield, and I got dizzy.
Yeah, you do get dizzy.
Yeah.
It's not as bad at Thompson because they're doing 20-second laps.
20 whole seconds, huh?
I mean, this was like 12, so you're continuously moving.
Yeah.
So that's what's
Check out that sick race car.
Are you talking about my car?
No, I'm talking. Has your car ever gone racing? Because the Prius has. I'm talking about that race car right there. It has. Click here if you haven't seen that video.
I've gone street racing.
That's not racing.
I've street raced a Camry and I lost. To be fair, it was a V6 Camry.
Those are quick.
Yeah.
So
Did
yeah.
you have a good time?
Yeah.
All things considered, even though it was...
It's always good when I'm at a racetrack and I don't have to work on a car.
Yeah, that was...
That's always a good
different
time.
experience for me because in the past 11 years I've never been at a track and not touched the car until the race. So it's been... it was definitely an
I will
interesting
say
experience.
you are quick on the pit stop compared to like the other guys that were around us because they sucked.
Well, they're all like Riverhead regulars where they don't do pit stops.
Oh. Yeah, they were just like, pew!
Yeah, like one trigger
Pew!
pull, one nut. I don't let go. I got a 3-hour ride home.
Kyle's got a 3-hour ride home. I have an 18-minute ride home.
And then you're gonna go drifting.
And I'm going drifting in the morning. So come back next week to check out that video. And hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you next
Taco Tuesday!
Taco Tuesday!